Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is V. I post nail tutorials every Thursday and Sunday at 8:15 a.m. Central Time. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you do not miss out on future videos, as I do insert giveaways in them randomly. I am going to be doing a giveaway on today's video, so make sure to comment down below. I'm going to be picking a winner at complete random. The winner will be announced in my next video. Without further ado, let's get right into it. For today's video, as you guys can see from the thumbnail, I am doing cow print. I normally pair all my designs with nude, and I know this is still natural, but I decided to use pink for a change. So I am using Fiesta Sista from Not Polished. Don't forget to use my discount code if you guys are interested in purchasing any of my items. You will save a little bit of money. This is such a really pretty pink. I think it would be great for pink and whites and pink and white ombre as well. So make sure you guys check it out. I am applying this as my base color. I'm going to be adding the nail art on top. So as you can see, I'm just applying that as usual. I like to do 3 to 4 bead method just because it's easier for long nails. So I start at the tip and move my way up towards the cuticle. I am applying this acrylic on to new tips that I discovered off of Amazon. So make sure to check the description box for any of the items used in this video. I do link them all along with any discount codes that I may have. Again, I'm placing a medium to large bead onto the tip of the nail. I like to start right under the middle section and then drag it down gently. If you guys are having issues with your application process, make sure to check out my liquid to powder ratio video. I've gotten tons of positive feedback on that, and I assure you guys that this will drastically change your guys' acrylic application game. You want to make sure you have your basics down before you go into any of the intricate stuff, as this will help you in the long run. For my brush for this video, I am using Sculpt It Like It's Hot in the number 6 from Profiles Backstage, along with their acrylic monomer. I do highly recommend their stuff. They are really inexpensive, and I absolutely love the quality of all of their products. Don't forget to use my discount code as well to save a little bit of money. And for any of you that may be wondering what I have on my nails, this was from my last video. Make sure to check that out if you guys missed it. Highly recommend it for a cute summer nail design. So for any of my cover acrylics such as nude or pinks, I definitely do not encapsulate because it is not necessary in my opinion. So I'm going straight into filing once everything is nice and dry. For this step, I am using Tammy Taylor peel and stick files. You can find these on my Amazon storefront link. Highly recommend these. These are amazing. I'm just going in on the sides and making sure that the shape is nice and straight. And then I'm going in with my hand file as well and just filing over the surface of the entire nail. I did opt to use just a hand file because my acrylic was applied pretty smooth, so I knew I wasn't going to need my e-file for this step. So again, I'm just filing the sides, making sure everything is nice and dry before I do it. To figure out if your acrylic is fully dry, make sure to tap your nail. And when it makes that noise, you know it is fully dry and you are good to file. So that's kind of why you saw me tapping it with my file, just to make sure it made that clicking noise. And my dust brush is from Kiara Sky. Don't forget to use my discount code to save a little bit of money. Now for the cuticle area, I am going in with my small cone bit, and I like to use this bit to blend the acrylic to the cuticle area. You want to make sure this area is nice and flush to the natural nail, as this can help with lifting. If you have the product way too thick in that area, it can cause snagging and the nails will lift a lot quicker than they should. I'm just using this at 4,000 RPMs on my e-file, and I am using the Kiara Sky e-file. Now I'm going in with my sponge buffer from Profiles Backstage, smoothing out that surface of the nail. I am going to be doing nail art, and when I'm doing nail art, I want to make sure everything is as smooth as possible for our nail art application. Now I am going in with my lint-free wipes and some swipe from Young Nails and just cleansing the surface of the nail and my practice hand, making sure that it is free of dust for my nail art. You can use alcohol as well in this step just to make sure that the nail is nice and clean. So I am using my 3D nail art brush, which you can find on my Amazon storefront. I'm going to be drawing larger areas with that gel paint, so I'm making sure that I'm using a thicker brush, and this is perfect for that step. So I'm just taking my white gel paint and that brush, and then I'm just randomly applying white onto the tip of the nail. As you can see, this one's different than what I did on the pinky, and really all I want is a base for my cow print. So you can do it straight across, you can do it slanted, you can do it just a circle. It really just depends what you want to do. I just need a base for that cow print so it can actually look like cow print. And once I am done, I do put the hand back in to cure fully. And now I'm going in with my black gel paint and my nail art brush. This is also from Amazon. Make sure to check out my Amazon storefront. I have tons of products that I love from them. This is very similar to the camo design that I did. If you guys haven't seen that video, make sure to check that out. We are doing random blobs, except the camo was a lot more puzzled. Like, I made it to where they all kind of interacted with each other, and this one is definitely more all over the place. So as you can see, I'm just drawing random blobs and then adding tiny little accents of it. And you don't have to cure it all the way. I like to cure it for about 15 seconds. That kind of freezes it into place, and then you can move on to your next nail. You really just don't want it to move or smudge if you accidentally touch it. And before I finish this set of nails, I normally place the hand back into the light to make sure all my gel nail art is fully cured. You do not want it to smudge whenever you go to apply your top coat. I'm taking Not Polished Gloss It. This is their shiny top coat. Highly recommend it if you guys are looking for a gel top coat. This is no wipe, so you place it in the light, it cures, and it is good to go. Stays shiny for the entire time that they have their nails on, which I absolutely love. Don't forget to check out their stuff. I am using the Kiara Sky Beyond Pro rechargeable LED light. I have a video using that. If you guys are interested, make sure to check that out. But that basically concludes this video. Do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys next time.